Hello, children. How are you? I think you all are fit and fine. So, today, let us start SST Chapter 5 Natural Resources Part 1. So, children, what are natural resources? Nature has gifted us with many useful things such as air, water, minerals, plants, animals, birds, and so on. These valuable and useful substances found in nature are called natural resources. Children, look at the picture now. Types of natural resources: sun, forest, rock, minerals, animals, air, oil, water, and soil. In this chapter, we will read natural resources, then types of natural resources. What are the types? There are two types. Number one, renewable resources. Number two, non renewable resources. Next comes water. So we will read uses of water: personal use, domestic use, industrial use. Then we will read sources of water. What are the sources of water? Rainfall, rivers, ponds, lakes, canals, wells, tanks, and dams. And we will read conservation of water. Each one of us should do our bit to conserve water: close taps, recycle rainwater, use a bucket, and mug to have a bath. Types of natural resources. So, natural resources are of two types. Number one, renewable resources, and number two, non renewable resources. See the picture, children. It shows wildlife, jungles, water, and air. So, children, renewable resources includes plants and animals, and non-renewable resources includes minerals, fossil fuels, and soils. Now, children, what do you mean by renewable resources? Renewable resources replace themselves by natural processes so that they are never completely used up, such as soil and water. Next comes non-renewable resources. So, children, what do you mean by non-renewable resources? Non-renewable resources exist in limited amounts and cannot be replaced easily, such as minerals. Renewable is also known as inexhaustible resources, can be replaced or grown back within a short span of life, that is, within a human lifetime. For example, sunlight, air, water, plants, and so on. Next, non-renewable resources is also called exhaustible resources. It cannot be replaced or take millions of years to be replaced. For example, fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas, and other minerals like iron ore, copper, aluminium, and so on, and sand. Now, next comes need for conservation. Natural resources are essential for our life. We are using up natural resources faster than they can be replaced. Overuse of fossil fuels to generate energy has resulted in the pollution of the environment. Now, ways of conserving natural resources. Now, we will read this. Check deforestation or do not cut trees. Go for afforestation or plants more trees. Use carpool and public transport more often to save fossil fuels. Collect rainwater to use later. Close taps when not in use and fix leaking pipes to save water. Did you know, children? Petroleum, coal, and natural gas are known as fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are formed over millions of years from the remains of plants and animals. They are non renewable natural resources as they take many years to form. Now, children, assignment for today, name the two types of natural resources and name two renewable resources. So, children, that's all for today of part 1 of this chapter. Thank you.